Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial I will show you everything we know about new Rocket Pop set. So Rocket Pop was added a few days ago, this one, as a limited set that will only be available for 7 days. So if you want it, make sure to grab it before it's gone. And it costs around, if I'm not mistaken, it costs around 27.5 thousand, and it's a single harvest carp, not a multi-harvest one. And then based on the informations available so far, its best sale price is around 22,000, and many players say it's still a pretty decent seed to own, especially because it's limited. You can just buy it at the seeds shops, this one, but you need to wait until the seed restock again. And in here, unfortunately, I haven't been lucky enough to get one yet, since it always sell out before I can got the restock. So in here, I can't show you its full growing process just yet. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.